The Birmingham Bullring Fish and Meat Market is a long-standing part of the city's food trading tradition and sits within the Bullring Indoor Market, close to St Martin's Church and the modern Bullring shopping centre. It's best known for its large concentration of fishmongers and butchers, making it one of the main places in the city where locals, restaurateurs and market regulars come for fresh produce rather than supermarket packs. The fish section is especially famous for its early morning buzz, with counters piled high with everything from everyday cod and haddock to shellfish and whole fish prepared to order, while the meat stalls offer a mix of traditional British cuts, poultry and halal meat reflecting Birmingham's diverse communities. The atmosphere is practical, noisy and no nonsense. Traders calling out prices, knives working fast on chopping blocks, and customers who've been shopping the same stalls for decades. More than just a place to buy food, the market represents the working class heart of Birmingham, carrying on a trading culture that has existed on the Bullring site for centuries.
Not today. Everyone works together now.
Marami pa, berapa?